Hey tech enthusiast, welcome back to the channel Future 4.0. Today I've got an exciting and a time-saving video for you guys as we dive into the world of ChatGPT, the artificial intelligence model that can supercharge your productivity and creativity in less than 30 minutes. Whether you are a developer or a content creator or simply curious about artificial intelligence, stay tuned. We are about to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT in this short and quick guide here. So before using ChatGPT, first we will try to understand what is ChatGPT and what ChatGPT can actually do. So we have a question here, what is ChatGPT? So if I go on the next slide, we get to know ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer. So basically it stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and what it does is it basically processes natural human language. So we interact human by human. If we are interacting, we interact in human language. So it processes the human language, it takes the input in the human language form, and it basically generates a response in return. So it's basically a artificial intelligence chatbot. You can see here it's an artificial intelligence chatbot technology that can process our natural human language and generates a response in return. And now we will try to understand why use ChatGPT. People are using Google, but now everyone is curious about this ChatGPT. And even if you think of Google is really scared of this ChatGPT, because this ChatGPT has some feature which even Google doesn't have. So why to use ChatGPT? Because we already have Google, but people are still using ChatGPT. Actually they started using ChatGPT after using Google only. So why use ChatGPT? So basically whatever the response we are getting in return when we are entering the prompt, so we are getting a response in return. So that response is really quick, and the result we are getting is more accurate. And because it's an artificial intelligence chatbot, the more we use ChatGPT, the stronger results we get, because eventually over the period of time this ChatGPT will get stronger and it will have more data, and according to that data only it will give us the response. So people use ChatGPT to get quick and accurate responses, automate customer support, and generate text for various purposes, making tasks easier and more efficient. So we can perform our task really quickly compared to other tools, and it's efficient as well. So now we will try to understand what can ChatGPT do. So basically ChatGPT can do multiple number of tasks. It can do several tasks. So we'll try to understand, we'll see few tasks which ChatGPT can do, and we'll try to understand all those tasks one by one here. So first it can perform several tasks, including the first task it can perform is answering questions. So basically what Google does, same work ChatGPT can also do. It can provide answers to factual questions. Whatever the facts are there, you can extract all those questions, and you can get those answers of that particular question. It can explain concepts. You can search any concept related to studies or related to other departments, and offer information on various topics. It can provide information on different topics. You just type the topic name and you will get some information related to that particular topic. And then it's basically a conversational chatbot. So the main difference between Google and this ChatGPT is it basically you basically interact as if you are interacting with a human here. You just feed some data into ChatGPT, and in return whatever the output you are getting, whatever the response you are getting, it's in the human language form, and it will make you so comfortable. It will feel like you are talking to an expert, and it's more convenient compared to Google. So that's why. So conversational chatbot ChatGPT can engage in natural language conversation, making it useful for customer support, virtual assistant, and more. And then you can generate content. For example, just nowadays people use Instagram a lot. So suppose if you are posting a picture, You can if you are thinking of generating a caption, you can generate a caption through this chat gpt. If you're searching for a bio, if you're searching for some details about a portfolio, you can get it from ChatGPT. Just provide the details of your occupation and you can get the information, or you can generate any kind of content basically. So it can generate human like text for articles. You can generate articles, product descriptions, marketing materials, and creative writing. And you can do language translation. Suppose you have a sentence written in English, you can translate it into Chinese, Japanese, or any language of your choice. So it can do this task as well. Writing assistance, basically it can do proofreading, like before publishing the text, you want to cross verify whether the text is written in the proper format or not. So you can do proofreading. You can ask for suggestions, improvements, generating text for various writing tasks. It can perform multiple tasks. Basically you can generate code snippets as well. Code snippet is basically like few lines of code. You can do a lot more than simply generating code snippets. You just need to know how to give inputs to this chat GPT, and you can deal with codes as well, and it can give you the advice related to code as well. And then next is you can use it in the entertainment industry. It can create interactive storytelling experiences or chatbots for entertainment purposes. And then for learning and education purpose, chat GPT can explain concepts and assist students in their studies. And it can do data analysis as well. Chat GPT has this feature of you can provide your suppose you have data, you have an Excel sheet of data, you have like multiple columns related to that data. Just provide the column names and it can help you with data analysis. It can do data interpretation and analysis. So you just need to know how to use ChatGPT, and it can do multiple things. So data analysis is one of the like strongest features of ChatGPT, and you can use it for like getting general information. It can provide general knowledge and facts on wide range of subjects. ChatGPT is capable of doing a lot more. You just need to know how to use ChatGPT. It's really easy, and once you know how to provide input to ChatGPT, you can do a lot more than this. That's about this small introduction of ChatGPT. And now what we will do is we will use ChatGPT, and we will see how to use ChatGPT in the best manner. So what I will do is I will first show you guys how to open ChatGPT. So you just need to go to this Google page, just type ChatGPT, and you will get one website, chat.openai.com. Just click on that. If you already have an account on ChatGPT, just log in through that. Otherwise, what you can do is you can basically sign up on ChatGPT on this website, chat.openai.com. So you will get this type of interface, and here you will get the history. You can simply close this, and in ChatGPT there are only mainly two things it has. Whenever you are dealing with ChatGPT, you will come across these two words. The first is the prompt, and the second is the completion. These are the two words you will hear whenever you are dealing with ChatGPT. So what is this prompt? So you have a message bar here. So when you are typing the message, that's known as the prompt. So basically you are sending the prompt, and in return, whatever the response you are getting from ChatGPT, that is the completion. So what is this prompt? Prompt is basically the message whatever you are typing on the ChatGPT message bar, and the response which you are getting is the that's the completion. So that's about these two things. And what is the best way of using ChatGPT? See, you can use ChatGPT and you can get the output, you can get the response from ChatGPT, but to get the response in the best manner, there is a way of you using ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT in a wrong way, and you will get a weaker response compared to when you provide a stronger prompt. So how to provide stronger prompts? So first I will show you guys the example how to use a weak prompt. Let's say let's say we are gym enthusiast, and I want to know how to get fit. I will type tell me how to get fit. This is the way of writing a weak prompt. Why? If I send this message to ChatGPT, I will get a response in return. See, tell me how to get fit. So I'm getting the response: set clear goals, create workout plan, stay consistent. So basically it's giving me out and out like a rough idea how to stay fit, because everyone has a different body type, everyone has a different body weight, different body structure. So this, like, writing this prompt may not be good enough for someone else. It might be good enough for me, but it might not be good enough for someone else, or there is a high chances that this plan is not going to be helpful for me, or it might help the other guy. So if you're using such prompt, you may not get the best result. So this is not the correct way how you send a prompt. What is the correct way of sending a prompt? So I will tell you guys. I will type a message. I will type a prompt. So how to type a strong prompt here? So I will type, I am a 50-year-old man. I'm a 15-year-old man, and then I will provide my height is 6 feet and weight is let's say his weight is 90 kgs. Can you give me a 15-week workout plan? I want to gain muscle and reduce body fat. So I'm a 14-year. So we have provided specific detail related to our body type. So I'm a 15-year-old man, my height is 6 feet and weight is 90 kgs. Can you give me a 15-week workout plan? I want to gain muscle and reduce body fat. And now if I send this message, I will get a proper plan. See, now I'm getting a proper plan week by week. Week 1 to 5, foundation building, strength training, 3 to 4 times a week. So I'm getting all these specific details how I should proceed in weight training, or how my workout plan should be. So that's the correct way how you should use a stronger prompt. So you can use your prompt in a weaker way, or you can use it in a stronger way, depending on your choice. You should know how to use a prompt. So that was the way how you can send up stronger prompt. And now we will see for using ChatGPT, what are the things we need here. So for sending the prompt, we need a few things, like we need the first thing we need is a task. So we need a task. Basically, I'm not sending this message. The first thing we need is task. Then we need, okay, I will write it as, first thing we need is task. Second thing we need is context, and then third thing we need is persona, and one more thing we need is the format. So basically one of the most important thing out of these is the task, because if you don't give the context and if you give the task, still you will be able to get some result. But simply if you give the context and not the task, then there is no meaning of getting the response. So first I will show you guys. See, during the task you should use words like give, generate, analyze, suggest. So I will use the task first. So I need what I will do here is I will give me, I will use give me a 6 months training program. This is the task. Training program, this is the task. If I send this prompt, I will get a response. See, give me 6 months training program. I'm getting this here. And the second thing is the context. But whenever you are giving the task, you should give the context as well. See, I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a training program for 6 months, but everyone has a different body type. The training program which ChatGPT is sending us in response might not be good enough for me, or might not be good enough for someone else. So everyone has a different body type. So with this task, what you should do is you should give context as well. So what context, what I'm trying to say here is I will use one context as well here. So I will write I am a 60 kg man. I'm a 60 kg man, and in context you have basically three things. What's the user background? The second is how the success looks like, and third, the third one is the first one is how what's the user background. The second is how the success looks like, and there is one more thing which I will show you guys. First, what I will do here is I will simply show you guys I'm a 60 kg man, and this is the context, and I will write give me a 6 months training program. Give me a 6 months. Now if I enter, I will get a proper, I will get a better response compared to the last prompt. See, I'm getting a better response here. See, if you compare it with the previous prompt, because I have not given the context in the previous one, I have simply written give me a training program for 6 months, so I was not getting a proper response from ChatGPT. But now, because I have given the context that I am a 60 or 70 kg man, now I'm getting a better response. And now in this context also, if I provide what's the user background, so the background I've already given, I'm a 60 kg or 70 kg person. Now what I will do is I will provide one more information from the context only, that how success looks like. So in how success looks like, I will provide I want to gain 5 kgs of muscle. So I will now write I am a 70 kg male. This is the context, user background, and now I will under context only I will provide one more information, how success looks like. So in success, I want to gain 5 kgs of muscles. So and I will write I want to gain 5 kgs of muscle. I want to gain 5 kgs of muscle. And now I will ask ChatGPT to provide can you suggest me a 6 months training program. Now, because I have added one more layer of information under context only, I have provided how success looks like. Now if I enter, I will get a proper response this time. See, now this time I will get a better response compared to the last two information I have provided. So see, now I'm getting a proper response. I'm getting a better response now because I have added one more layer of information under context. So I have given the task. The task is to provide a 6 months training program, and under context I have provided I am a 70 kg per man, and one more information, I have layer of information I have provided how success looks like. I want to gain 5 kgs of muscle, and now I can add one more layer of information, and that will come under context only. And this time I will provide the environment I want the result to be in. So Now I will add one more layer of information, and simply you can add any layer of your choice. You can provide details according to your situation and convenience. So you can add, and now we will see one more um, thing which we need while using the chat gpt is the persona. So what is this persona? Persona is basically how you want the AI to act like. So let's say I'm having a head pain here. So now I'm interacting with the chat gpt, and I want chat gpt to act like a doctor here. Or suppose I'm having some heart issue, I want the chat gpt to act like a heart specialist. So what I will do here is, let's say I'm having some issue with my body. I'm having like shoulder pain. So what I will provide is, I will use persona. So I will write, I want you to act like a doctor. I want to act like I want you to act like a doctor. Or if you are having some issue related to some specific condition, you can ask ChatGPT to act like a specific doctor, like a specialist. So what I will do is, I want you to act like a heart specialist, heart specialist, and then I will ask, I want to ask you from last 10 days I am not able to jog. I'm not able to jog jog in the morning. I'm facing this issue, or you can add few more layers. I'm like facing problem while jogging. You can add few more layers. Right now I will send this message only. And now you will see, I'm not a medical doctor, but I can offer some general guidance. Several factors, and now it's giving us the response. So basically you can use chat gpt for doing various purposes. So till now what we have done, we have used task. You need to give task to chat gpt, because before if you don't give task and if you simply give context, there is no meaning only. Let's say I want 6 months of training program, but this is the task for ChatGPT, but I'm not providing this task. Instead, I'm simply providing the context, like I am a 70 kg man. Then this piece of information is useless. ChatGPT will get confused what he has to do with this piece of information. I have to provide the task as well, that I want a 6 months training program, and I am a 70 kg man, and I want to gain muscle, and other layer of information. So if I simply send this prompt to ChatGPT will give us some answer, but that is not going to help us, because we have simply provided the context and not the task. So you have to provide the task here. See, we are getting only this much of information because this is useless, because ChatGPT doesn't know what are you going through and what is your pain. So you have to provide the task as well here. So that's about this small video. I hope you guys liked it, and you can use ChatGPT. Always remember a few things. The message you sent is known as prompt, and the response you get is known as completion. You provide the prompt in the best manner. You provide strong prompt. You provide the layer of information. You can ask ChatGPT to act like someone, as if suppose if I'm an actor and I want to join some theater. So I can ask ChatGPT to act like a theater owner, and I can ask for suggestions like suggest me few acting schools where I can join, or where I will get the best result. So you can use it in that manner. And that's about this video. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.